Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a like or comment on your Instagram photos, enabling vibration notifications is a great way to stay instantly updated. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on vibration for likes and comments on photos of you in Instagram, using the latest method. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now look for Instagram in that list. You might need to scroll a bit if you have a lot of apps. Once you find Instagram, tap on it to open the app's settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize how and when Instagram notifies you about different activities. Here, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside Notification Categories, you'll find a list of different types of Instagram notifications. Look for the option that says Likes and Comments on Photos of You. This is the specific section that handles alerts when someone interacts with your photos. Tap on Likes and Comments on Photos of You. Here, you'll see a few different settings you can adjust. Find the one labeled Vibrate. To enable vibration, simply toggle this option on. When it's switched on, your phone will vibrate every time you get a like or comment on your photos. That's it. You've just enabled vibration for likes and comments on photos of you on Instagram. Now, whenever someone engages with your photos, you'll feel a gentle buzz, making sure you're always in the loop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.